Breaking the wall of antibiotic resistance. Juliane Lippmann, Institut Pasteur, Paris.
So our body is colonized with millions of commensal bacteria in the intestine, essential for digestion and protection. Occasionally, we are also infected by harmful bacteria, leading to severe infectious diseases. Antibiotics effectively kill these pathogens. However, they also wipe out our protective microbiota. Also, their mis- and overuse promotes growth of bacteria with antibiotic multidrug resistance. Instead of chasing for new antibiotics, I actually would like to introduce you a powerful tool to combat these infections. And you won't believe it, but it's actually our own innate immune system. And this responds to the different challenges in a highly tailored fashion. And so to illustrate this, let's imagine our cells as a multiple room apartment, the access of bacteria to which resembles a violent burglary. Some bacteria reside in a vacuum. It's like a canopy bed, which they use for their growth before they spread into the next cell. Other bacteria prefer the cytosol, the so-called dining room of the cell, which is full of nutrients. Then there's also the back room, the uninfected cells. Everywhere they are, they carelessly leave traces behind. And all this is recorded by the numerous surveillance systems of our immune system, which activate a highly specific immune response that reflects the bacterial localization, just like fingerprints left behind. So we have developed a methodology that precisely tracks the infectious pathway of bacteria inside cells and measures the activated host response. And therefore, we combined multiple fluorescent-based techniques with multiplex gene expression analysis in single cells, which then identifies the activated immune response fingerprints. So this was not everything. The whole story ends with this. Bacteria hijack most of these immune responses. But remember the back cells, the back room, the uninfected neighboring cells, they are also called bystander cells. And now we know that they also register the burglary and activate a fully blown immune response. And this remains unaffected by any bacterial attack. So our methodology actually identifies novel potential drug targets, and they are actually coming from our own innate immune response. And so enforcing the activation of our own immune system, especially of this bystander response of the uninfected cell, will break the wall of the post-antibiotic era.
Good, thank you. Next.